Welcome friend to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C in 15 days and C and A in 20 days. How long would each take separately to do the same work? So here we have to find out the work done by each separately. So here the first thing which we have to do, we take that, let's suppose A and B, A plus B, they both can complete a job in 1 and 12. It means that in 12 days. So this means that work is inversely proportional to the time. So this relation of work and time is always inversely proportional, meaning increasing the strength of work or the manpower, the time will be reduced. So it means inversely proportional. So here we have that B and C can complete the job in how many days? In 15 days. So B plus C we are having, that is 1 upon 15. I hope till here you are getting the whole things. And C plus A, C and A can do the job in 20 days. So we are having expression of A plus B, B plus C and C plus A. So to find out in the most simplest and easiest way, we take here the plus. So here if you see that there are two A and A, 2. So here we get that is 2A plus and 2B we are having. So after the addition it becomes 2B plus and CC plus 2C is equal to, and we are adding all of these. So this becomes that is 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20. So all these has also been added in this method. So it is the most simplest method, and here you can see that 2 is present with all of these things. So here we take common 2 and A plus B plus C is equal to, that is 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20. So further solving this we get that is, so how much it becomes, that is 2A plus B plus C is equal to, and here we take the LCM of 12, 15 and 20. So what will be the LCM? So we take the LCM and we get the LCM, that is 60. So further solving, 60 divided by 12 we get here, that is 5 plus, and 60 divided by 15 we get here the answer, that is 4, and 60 divided by 20 we get here that is plus 3. So this portion becomes that is, so this only this portion I'm solving it here. So this becomes that is 12 divided by 60. So this becomes that is 2A plus B plus C is equal to 12 divided by 60, and further A plus B plus C is equal to 12 divided by 60, and this 2 goes downward and this becomes that is 2. So 2 ones are and 2 6 are, 6 ones are, 6 tens are. So all of these three, meaning together A plus B plus C can accomplish the job in 10 days. So this is the time required for all of these three working together. And now in the question it says that find the work done by them separately. So for this we take, let A alone can complete the job. So in how many days A alone can complete the job? So for this we have this equation. So this is the final equation. So A plus B plus C is equal to 1 divided by 10. And we know that B plus C, they can accomplish the job in how many days? In 15 days. So this is the same thing which we have taken from B plus C is equal to 1 upon 15. So both B and C can complete the job in 15 days. So here we have to find out A alone. So this becomes that is A plus B plus C, we are having that is 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon 10. So this becomes that is A is equal to 1 upon 10, and this 1 upon 15 goes this side, becomes minus 1 upon 15. So further solving, if we take the LCM of 10 and 15, so this becomes that is 30. So the LCM we are having that is 30, and how much it becomes? 30 divided by 10, that is 3 minus, and 30 divided by 15, that is 2. So here we have got 1 upon 30. I hope that here you have completely understood. So it means that A can accomplish the job in 30 days. So this is therefore A is equal to in 30 days. So A alone can complete the job in 30 days. And now for B alone. So in how many days B alone can do the job? So we take again the equation A plus B plus C. So let's suppose we have taken this as equation number 1. So from equation number 1 we take that A. So A plus B plus C is equal to 1 upon 10. So this is the equation number 1. And here further, so we have to find out B, and for B we take A plus C. So A plus C can accomplish the job in how much day? A plus C, they can complete it in 20 days. So A plus C, that is 20 days. So putting the value of A plus C, we get here that is B plus 1 upon 20 is equal to 1 upon 10. So this becomes further B is equal to 1 upon 10. B is equal to 1 upon 10. And this 120 goes this side, becomes minus 120. So here again we take the LCM, and for this we get the LCM, that is 20. So this becomes 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 20. So B can accomplish the job in 20 days. So the answer is here for B alone, that is 20 days. So this is for B alone. I hope till here you have completely understood. And now the remaining one is for C. So C alone, so we take C alone. So this is now for C, and in how many days does C complete? So again we take the equation number 1, A plus B plus C, the whole can complete the job in 10 days. So now we have to find out C alone. For this we have A plus B, they can complete the job in how many days? So we have just taken A plus B, that is in 12 days, 1 upon 12. So putting the value of A plus B in this equation, we get here that is 1 upon 12 plus C is equal to 1 upon 10, and this becomes that is C is equal to 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 12. And further taking the LCM, and here we get the LCM, that is 60, and this becomes that is 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 upon 60. So C alone can complete the work in 60 days. So this is inversely proportional. So the answer here we have that C in 60 days can complete the same work. So these three, C in 60 days, B in 20 days, and A is equal to 30 days. I hope you have completely understood the method, and all these are our answer. So thank you very much.